have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and I'll be showing you how to change the cover screen clock style. So unfold your phone and then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to cover screen, tap on that, and then on the cover screen wallpapers, you should see your current cover screen as the one on top. So tap on it, and then it's going to give you options to edit. Now you can edit the clock style when you see this rectangle on top of the clock. So if you tap on it, you'll now be presented with different formats for editing the clock style. So you can have all these different clock styles depending on what you want. Okay, so you have that one, that one, that one. You can even go ahead and set an analog clock if you prefer analog, and even if you prefer analog without the numbers, you can have that one like that. Okay, so those are the different clock styles you can choose. If you have a digital clock, you can actually change the font of that digital clock by using these fonts here. So once you choose the clock style you want, for instance, personally, I prefer this one. Once you choose, you'll also notice that you can change colors. Okay, so you can have different colors for that clock, and then tap on done in the top right corner. And as you can see, that's been applied to my cover screen. So now when I look at my cover screen, I should have a new clock. And that's basically how to change the clock style on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.